Welcome to the Bloom Schools. Do you speak English? I speak, but not very fluent. What do you do? I'm looking for a job. How old are you? I am 25 years old. How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages. What are you planning to do today? I am planning to meet my friend. When will you be back? I will be back by evening. What happened to you? I've got a pain in my back. How far is it? It's just a few kilometers from here. Do you have money? Yes, I have. What does he do? He is a librarian. What time is it? It's 7 a.m. Is there a hotel nearby? Yes, it's near the supermarket. Where would you like to go? I like to go for a movie. What do you have in your bag? I have my purse and a book in my bag. Can you play chess? A little, but I play tennis well. Is he married? Yes, he is married. How many children do you have? I have 3 children. Are you hungry? Yes, I am very hungry. What kind of Italian food do you like? I like pizza. Do you like Indian food? Oh no, it's too spicy. Can we play tennis? Yes, sure. Have you finished your work? I have almost finished. Do you have any other opinion? Yes, I have some other opinion. When is she coming? She is coming tomorrow evening. Thank you for watching.